Before you buy this silly Sharky, watch this video.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
Hello beautiful people, this is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, I went to Sephora and as usual, I always find something interesting to buy. This time, it was the Coach Sephora collection Sharky. This is an eyeshadow palette. It cost $38 for basically 6 eyeshadows. They are very pretty colors, which I think if they weren't pretty colors, I could have resisted the cute little shark. But is it worth it? Well, I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to just try and pile them all on today and use as many colors as I can for one dramatic look. It's Sharky! Well, I went to Sephora a few days ago and I found this, the Coach Sephora collection. This is the Sharky eyeshadow palette, and this was just too cute to resist. So I'm trying it out for the very first time today. And here it is. Now it comes with a little Coach keychain, and this is a limited edition collaboration between Coach and Sephora. And let's see, how does it open? Okay, here we go. And these are the colors. So let's see, what kind of look am I going to do? I think I'm going to start with just a nice basic nude look. And I'm going to use this color called Sand and put this on the base of my eyelid.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
Alright, it has a nice feel to it, a soft texture. Next thing, I'm going to take this dark color Onyx and use that as a liner right along the lash line.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
Okay, now I think for a little bit of color for this, I'm going to add Sienna and just sort of going in the corners and along the crease with this. The pigments are good with this. You don't have to put the press too hard. It comes on really easy, and it has a nice, rich, deep pigment.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
These are also colors that I think would look good with pretty much any skin tone. All right, so that's sort of my nice nude look. Now, if I want to add a little bit of shine, which I think I do, I'm going to go in with Amethyst, this nice deep purpley color, and just sort of dust along with that, along the outer edge.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
It really is sort of the color of a soft light amethyst stone when it goes on your eyes. It's very pretty. Alright, and finally to blend it all together and to add a little bit more drama, I'm going to use Cosmos. And this is the nice purpley shade. And let's just sort of dust the whole eyelid with that and give it sort of a shimmer. These two are the shimmers, the others are more mattes. So the Amethyst and Cosmos are shimmers. This is a nice, cute little palette, and the packaging is just absolutely adorable. Little Sharky shark.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark.
While it isn't as versatile as a lot of my larger palettes, it's a great palette to travel with because you have your nudes, you also have a few shimmers to enhance. It's, you know, nice, has a little mirror with it. So far I'm really liking it. I'll see how they hold up. Let me finish up with my mascara and I'll be right back. My mascara's done, ready to go out. Okay, this is the Sharky palette from Coach Sephora collection. Now this is part of a larger collection. It includes a second palette that I believe is a dinosaur, as well as some contours, some lip products. I'll put a link to the Sephora page and the entire collection. So it's a lot of different items. I just bought this one. They were a little bit pricey. This was $38. So, but if you really want to invest and want to have some fun, the entire collection was really cute, really playful. Something might be nice to look at on your shelf. But I did feel like this palette had some good, usable, workable colors. So yeah, I do feel like I will be using this, and I love the way that fact that it comes in this little container with the keychain. It's sort of magnetized, the way the container hooks together, and then flips up, and then it kind of twists around so you can sort of angle it as you're looking, doing your eyes. So overall, yeah, it's a fun investment. Is it maybe the best value for the money? Probably not, but it is really, really cute. And I have to admit, I kind of fell for the Sharky.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby
Well, do you
shark.
have a new brand or a new product that you discovered that you'd like for me to take a look at and try out? I'm always looking for new ideas, so please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.